Hi, this video or screencast is to show you how to go to the Minnesota Department of Employment and Economic Development website to find the projections for industry growth and occupation growth. The first assignment that will require this data is 3.03, is your industry growing? So once you click on that to view the assignment, you can click here to get the link. Now the link will bring you to this website and you will want to click the green button, use the data tool. Once you click that green button, it will bring you here to the data tool where you will click on Start New Search. The first assignment is about our industry, so we're going to look on the right side where it says Industry Projections, click Long Term. Then we need to click on our area. Our area, if you are in the Twin Cities, is going to be 7 County, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Min. And then we click Select. Then you have to look for your industry. So depending on what your industry is, you go through all of these categories to find the one that best fits your industry. So for example, let's do something like, for me, educational services. Okay, so I click that, and then I click View Data of Selected Industry. Then you get your data, and this is here it says the industry. It says the number of jobs in 2018, the number of jobs expected by 2028, and then the percent of growth or increase, which is 3.8% for this industry. And this is the number you need to use in your Google Classroom assignment. So when you go back to your assignment to put that information in, you will write the name of your industry. For example, my industry is construction, and it is projected to grow, here's the percent, from 2018 to 2028. And you will write that in the Your Answer box. Okay, now the second part is to do the occupations, and that is 3.04. So let me back out of this. Just go back. It's this next one. Is your occupation growing? Okay, you're going to go back to that link. In fact, you're there right now, right? So I'm just going to use the back arrow to do the next assignment. I can go back to the same page and do Start New Search. And this time, I'm not going here, I'm going here. So this one's occupation, and I click Long Term, 7 County, Minneapolis, Select. And now it's a different group. You can pick the occupation that you're looking at. Let's say I'm looking at education, training, and library occupations. I can click that, View Data of Selected Occupation, and here is my percent growth. 5.7% for education, training, and library occupations. And then I move that over to my assignment. Let me go in here. Okay, and so my example, my occupation is building or grounds cleaning, and it is projected to grow. Here's your percent from the website, and you put that into your answer box. So that is how you answer or complete both 3.03 and 3.04. Thanks.